Hello everyone. Today I have some short questions of grade 9 which can be asked in group B and group C of 2 marks and 3 marks question. The first question is the range of function fx equals to 3x plus 2 is r equals to 5, 7 and 9. Find its domain and show it in mapping diagram. So here the function given is fx equals to 3x plus 2. So keeping the value of range as once 5, once 7 and once 9, we need to calculate the value of domain, that is the value of x. So if fx equals to 5, keeping the value of y as 5, we get x is equals to 1. Keeping fx equals to 7, y as 7, we get x equals to 5 by 3, and keeping y is equals to 9, we get the value of x as 7 by 3. So the domain are 1, 5 by 3 and 7 by 3. So showing it in mapping diagram, we get this kind of figure where domain are kept in the first oval and range in the second oval. Similarly, the next question, if fx is equals to 2x minus 1 for x is greater than 0 and fx equals to x plus 1 for x is less than equal to 0, find the functional value of f0, f3 and f minus 2. So for x is less than equal to 0 means we need to calculate the value of less than equal to 0 is f0 and f minus 2. So in this f0 and f minus 2, we have to keep fx is equals to x plus 1 as per the given condition, and to find out the value of f3 is greater than 0. So for greater than 0, fx equals to 2x minus 1. So keeping those relations, we get f0 as 1, f minus 2 as minus 1 and f3 as 5. Likewise, the next question is from the coordinate section formula, where we have to use find the coordinates of the point that divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 6 and minus 3, 4 internally in the ratio 2:3. So internal formula of section, that is pxy equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So using this formula, internal division, the ratio is given 2:3. So the value of m is 2 and n is 3. Likewise, the first coordinate 2 minus 6 is x1 y1 and minus 3 4 is x2 y2. Replacing the value, we get the point, the dividing point is 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 divides the line joining given points internally in the ratio 2:3. Similarly, the next question, proving cot square theta minus cos square theta is equals to cot square theta dot cos square theta. So taking LHS, cot square theta means cos square theta by sin square theta, then sin square theta LCM, cos square theta minus sin square in dot cos square theta common, remaining is 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square by sin square is cot square theta and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. In this way we get RHS. The next question is, what is the value of tan 10 into tan 80 degree? So tan 10 means using the complementary angle idea, 10 is 90 minus 80, we get 10. So tan 90 minus 80. So taking the relation tan 90 degree minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here in place of theta there is 80 degree, so cot 80 into tan 80. So cot is 1 by 10. The reciprocal of 1 by 10 is got, so 10 cancel, so we get the value as 1. The next question is, find the equation of a straight line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units and the perpendicular makes an angle of 60 degree with x-axis. Also find the distance between the point 13√3 and that line. So first we need to find out the equation of a straight line. So distance from the origin, we denote it as P, 5 units, and angle made by the perpendicular with x-axis, that is alpha, is equal to 60 degree. So this straight line in perpendicular form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. Replacing alpha as 60 degree and P as 5, we get the equation of straight line as x plus √3y is equals to 10. This is the equation of straight line. For the second question, find the distance between a point 13√3 and that line. So we have to use the formula to find out the distance between a point and a line. So point 13√3, we denote it as x1 y1, and comparing the equation with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. A is the coefficient of x, that is 1, b is coefficient of y, √3, and c is constant term, that is minus 10. So d is equals to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root under a square plus b square. So replacing the values of a, b, c as well as x1, y1 and simplifying it, we get the distance as 3 units.